Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 10 PC. It's very easy technique, so don't forget to watch full video. Usually we uninstall some apps from our computer because those are unnecessary. But sometimes you feel that you need to back up your important data, so you need to reinstall the app again. So how to do it? I will show you how to reinstall Microsoft OneDrive in your Windows 10 computer. Okay, let's go. Click on File Explorer. Now click on this PC, click on C drive. Now go to Windows. Now go to 6 or 64. Okay, click on it. Scroll down. Look, this is the OneDrive setup file. Okay, we will use this setup file for installation of OneDrive. Okay, click on Start menu, type CMD, right click on command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Command prompt has been opened in administrator mode. I have given the command in description. You can use this command from description. Type percentage system root percentage backslash syswall 64 backslash OneDrive setup .exe. Okay, hit enter. Please wait some time. Look, now OneDrive is installing. Okay, installation has been completed. Look, here is OneDrive. It shows all the data that I have backed up previously. Sometimes you will not see OneDrive icon here, so don't need to worry about it. You will just need to restart your computer. and after restart you will see OneDrive icon in your desktop. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Keep watching for next tutorial.